what's up? Hello folks, my name is Aubrey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I talked a lot about doing this last year and I never did a room tour, but this year I'm in a room by myself in my sorority house at my school, so I thought I'd give you guys a tour today. I don't have anyone with me to help me do it, so we'll see how this goes. But I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get into it. Starting off strong, this is the front entry walkway when you first walk in. I have my keys here. This is my kitchen. We'll get into that in a second. And then we have our sink area and all my various bags and hats. Fun fact, I shipped a bunch of stuff here from home and through UPS. And UPS ended up losing my bag and it wasn't properly insured for the right amount, so I actually did end up losing a lot of stuff because I couldn't replace it, which was really unfortunate. So a lot of my hat collection has been gone with the wind and a lot of my favorite hats. So that's really unfortunate, but I have my ASU hat and my sorority hat. I really hope the audio is like good on this because my AC unit is so loud. It's always going. You can't turn it off. It messes up FaceTime calls, like it'll make audio really cutty, so I really hope this is okay, but we're gonna get into the kitchen. This is my kitchen area, so up top here, this Stanley is kind of out of place, I think it was drying, but I have this pasta shrine, just all sorts of different pastas. I don't even know what that one's called, but they're super long. These ones, just normal spaghetti, mac and cheese, there's rice back there, my smoothie maker, and then obviously my little mini fridge unit. Trash can, really not that interesting. This actually is with the school. It's like a microwave and mini fridge all in one, but the microwave like doesn't have a tray on it, so I have to just balance everything I put in the microwave, and it's really funny. But yeah, that's the kitchen. That's my kitchen. But on this wall, this is my invisible string wall. So just a little quote from a Taylor Swift song, and then pictures of all my favorite people, which I think is so cute and fun. It's a good little reminder to me throughout the day of like, just to see people I love. That brings me a lot of joy, so I'm really happy I have that. But yeah, this is pretty spacious for a dorm room. I'm not complaining, let me tell you. We have my jewelry, a little like calendar thing my mom got me for Christmas, and it has Taylor Swift quotes, so that one it's August right now, so it's like, oh, guys, the AC stopped. And we just wait here until it restarts. There it goes, not even that long. That's how long we get with the AC off, and it's like, happens maybe twice a day. It's very interesting because the room is always going, so it gets really quiet when it turns off. But anyways, I have these letters I got for Big Little, and then just pictures, more pictures. It's a lot of family pictures here, and like close friends, more pictures. I just find a lot of value in having things like gifts from people I love and pictures of people I love. This, my big made me. Says, when the world was spinning, it spun you to me, and I just love it. So this year I decided to have my desk in the same place I had it last year. Generally the room setup of this is pretty much the same as when I had a roommate. It just makes the rest of the area more spacious. But I really like having the desk at the end of my bed. But my desk isn't really all that interesting. And there's this drawer here, and it just never opens properly. It like rattles out. So I don't really put anything of importance in here. So yeah, but that's my desk. Let's move on. Bed, so cute. I kind of want to put picture frames here. I haven't decided of what yet, but for now it's fine. Dresser. This is just like filled with cooking things, like dishes, all that jazz, my suitcases. And then you guys remember my bedding's the same from last year. The only new addition is this guy. It's a Build-A-Bear, super sweet. This headboard I bought from a girl who lived in the house last year, and a fun fact is it has been in this house for now 4 years. This is the 4th year. Some girl at a custom built, her dad built it for her, and it's just been passed through the house since then. So yeah, I think it's really sweet and cute. This nightstand, ooh, let's get this. This nightstand is actually a charging nightstand. However, the outlets in this room are placed in the most inconvenient like places. Like there's one there, and then the other one is in the same spot on this wall, but there's none on this wall. So I have to run an extension cord, and fun fact, my extension cord actually did burn out last night, so I have another one on the way. But normally that's where I charge my phone, and then there's a lamp, and then these lights around the window, which the window is so bright. There's lights around the window that were above my bed last year. They'll be in my freshman recap video. You can see them. They're above the window now, and like they just burnt out my extension cord. However, my extension like thing was from last year, so I'm really not offended by it. It probably needed to be refreshed anyway. Obviously in my nightstand are the necessities, aka a bubble gun, and then the paper cover of the book I'm reading right now, because I hate those being on the book. I don't even know what's in the rest of these. I think that one's like electronics, that's dance stuff. My guitar, I really hope to play guitar more this year. I've been so busy since school started. We're in only the 2nd week, but so busy I have not had like any free time, so that's super awesome. Up here is just storage, nothing interesting. I remember last year my closet was very full. I had to redo it a few times. I think I redid it twice in videos, like every time I clean out my room. But obviously UPS lost a whole suitcase with a lot of my stuff, so it looks a lot less full this year, like a lot of room. So if anyone wants to go on a shopping spree, whenever my funds are up, you know who to call. But just boots and stuff. My shoes are actually all in a big drawer under my bed. I was gonna have like a little rack for them, but it was just easier to put them in there. But yeah, that's my dresser. Okay, this is my favorite corner of my room. I'll give you guys a grand overview. So cute and fun. Ooh, I should turn on the light. It's just like a nice little sitting spot. I love it. Love, love, love it. This rolling cart has my books on top, bookmarks. This is like plays and just like coloring books and fun stuff. And then there's snacks at the bottom. Obviously my little chair, that has some stuffed animals in it. My Stanleys are in that little bin. And then this ottoman is new because the one I had last year broke, but in it is snacks. Oh. And then, newest addition to my room is this rug. It was given to me by another girl in the house because her roommate last year gave it to her for free, but she didn't end up using it. So she gave it to me for free, and it really completes the room because it was looking pretty desolate before. But I want you guys to comment below if you think I should get a couch for like right here. I guess I can't like give a good overview, but just imagine like a little couch right next to the chair. I think that'd be cute. I don't really know, but yeah, thanks for watching my room tour. I know this is a shorter video. There's not a lot to the room, but I'm really happy to have it and have my own solo room this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed and you're having a slay day. Smooches.